And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey guys, this is Destiny World, and my name is Destiny, and welcome to my world. So today, my friend is going to be installing a wig on my head. So she's bleaching her knots right now. My other girl right here too. Introduce yourself.
I'm Sanaya.
The person that's going to be doing my wig is...
You age, you see me. Hey, just got her wig in a while.
I got a 32-inch burgundy wig. Yeah, what lace? What lace? What lace, Sanaya? What lace?
Girl, that is not lace.
Yes, it is.
That's the ball cap.
So what's the lace?
On the wig.
So why the girls be like, what lace?
They say that once the wig is on.
Oh.
Bald head hoe shit.
Bald head hoe shit.
Bald head hoe shit.
Bald head hoe shit. Get it, me? Alright, so we trying to put this thing on,
We
right?
just found out that this shit is synthetic. And
Yes.
she got skinned for her money.
Yes.
Look at this white lace. Like, come on now.
Do you... What is this? What's this?
What? Okay, this might not be that bad. You believe it's gonna come out beautiful?
Yeah.
Even though it's a synthetic lace?
Okay. Can we not say that part?
Is it gonna scout? Left, it's gonna scout.
Finish.
Guys, please do not mind how I sound. Be kind of a little bit sick. Get the wax stick. Like glue per.
You gotta lay this joint. The hot comb will melt the wax. And it will lay.
Like a curve. Or that's
I
what you
tried,
did.
but like the tracks is shown in back, so I don't wanna do all that.
Oh, tracks there?
Yes, girl. It's not full lace, it's just...
Oh.
We're gonna get rid of that forehead.
Okay, not too much of my forehead.
Girl, we love big foreheads, but it's time to cover it up.
So we doing 3 layers? Okay, you know when they put the headband on, you know what it is? What it is.
It's about to melt down.
Period. What it is.
Alright, now we got the flat iron.
Yeah, you heard them. This is a given.
Cherry blossom.
This is a given.
Bitch Pennywise.
I know you did not just try to play me.
Really get into it though. Look how it's straightened. Look how slick this.
Play with it.
Slick. Yeah.
Dope.
Look at the inches though. Come on.
Dope. Oh. It got everywhere but the edges.
Girl, I didn't even hit you.
No, that shit burns.
This one.
Look at all this ash.
Bitch, that ain't my problem. That you ashy.
Not too much. Yeah, you have my viewers see. We not mad at it. We have the last minute touches, and we not mad at it at all.
This is so beautiful.
Is it given?
Let's give in.
Hold on, because yeah. Cause yeah. Cause Jalen. Yeah, don't play with it.
Okay. This is good lighting.
Period.
Yes.
Alright, so we at the end of this video. By the best.
Get into it though, like let's get into it.
Come on now. 1, 2, 3. 𝐃𝐄𝐒 out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that bell. Period.